What is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics is the study of entire part of the economy. It studies the aggregate part of the economy like national income, inflation, banking, and so on and so forth. Now, when the concept of economics started, they didn't deal with the macro concept. The classical period of economics, that is the period of Adam Smith, Ricardo, J.B. Say, Marshall, and so on, they deal with the individual part of the economic. That means that they were more interested in individual demand, individual supply, price, and so on. And the concept continued till the problem arose in 1929. Now, what happened in 1929? In 1929, there was a Great Depression. The world economy experienced an economic shutdown. The industries were closed. There was no income. There was unemployment, and people lost their jobs. And it continued for many years till late 1930s. Many economists were asked to give a policy prescription to sort out this problem, but it didn't work. In 1936, a book got published, that is The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, written by John Maynard Keynes. Now, it is the first who Keynes said that we should deal things in a macro level. That is, we should not think for a one tree, we should think for the whole forest. That means we should not deal the things in an individual level, rather we should deal the things in an aggregate level. So with this, the emergence of macroeconomics come, and it has been proved that there can be unemployment in an economy. It is not true that each and every resources can be employed in an economy, and with this, the macroeconomics was emerged. Thank you.